Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of electrical maintenance, the three-phase motor insulation test. Before we get our hands dirty, it's vital to ensure our testing equipment is in top shape. Remember, a high resistance reading signifies an open circuit, meaning there's no continuity. Conversely, a zero reading indicates continuity or a direct path. A quick check of your meter and leads is essential. Now let's put this knowledge into practice. We'll be testing a motor that we already know has issues, giving us a clear reference point. This process helps us understand the health of the motor's insulation, a key factor in preventing unexpected failures and ensuring safety. By performing these tests correctly, we can identify potential problems before they escalate, saving time, money, and preventing costly downtime. It's all about proactive care for our equipment. Thanks for joining me. If you found this helpful, consider following for more practical tech insights.